Welcome to a new video, guys. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about Spectre.ai and how Spectre is different, better, improved and profitable when you compare with other regular binary options brokers. So Spectre, as you can see on the website, it says high frequency low risk trading simplified, powered by DALP. Okay, I'm going to go over everything step by step, but Spectre in short is just a blockchain based binary options platform, right? So the binary options industry itself went through a lot of problems back in the days in 2016 2017 because of brokers manipulating the prices and closing down, not paying out and so on. So Spectre saw that as an opportunity to come out and deliver the best product that can enable people to trade short term, but do it in a more decentralized way, right? A completely fraud-free way. And back in 2017, end of 2017, they ran an ICO, and Spectre became very famous in South America, in Brazil, and the reach is just growing in India and other countries as well. And also in Asian countries like Indonesia, Spectre is really gained traction. So this whole idea of DALP that you can see on your screen, decentralized autonomous liquidity pool, is nothing but reserve funds stored in a decentralized way on a smart contract that people can get access to. So for example, let's say I'm trading on Euro USD, I'm doing a buy or I'm doing a call option, and I win that trade. So my winnings are coming out of that DALP. Now, not always, right? Sometimes there's a chance where you're trading against other traders. So basically, like an exchange. If you have a bit of Nadex and how Nadex works, is something very similar to that. So if the system allows you to match new orders against another trader, it does. If it doesn't, then it goes into the liquidity pool, and that's where you earn your winnings from, right? Spectre also calls itself as a brokerless platform, right? And the reason why it's a brokerless platform is because on Spectre you can actually deposit and withdraw straight from your wallet, from your decentralized wallet, right? You don't even have to deposit money into the platform. Okay, that's a more decentralized way. They also have a centralized deposit way, which is a regular account, which I recommend as well, because with the decentralized deposit and withdrawal system, with the DeFi wallets, the gas fees are very high. So when you move money in and out of the wallet, you get charged gas fees. So right now the network of Ethereum is so heavy, the gas fees are high, right? So the centralized way is fine, but there's also the decentralization factor, which is the DALP, which is fantastic, and no other broker right now is providing that. This is completely cutting edge and very innovative. All right, so let's move on to actually explaining what this trading is all about, right? So a lot of you have still not understood how this style of trading is different from, let's say, a regular forex trade or a stock trade, right? So I'll go over that in a minute. Let's just go over the website, the front page again. So Spectre is a financial online trading platform that allows traders to trade in high frequency with low risk in the financial markets. So as I said, Spectre matches traders against an embedded liquidity pool or other traders on the Spectre platform, and they charge you a fee for every trade. There's no conflict of interest here. So Spectre is earning a fee, 2% fee on every trade, and pretty much exactly like an exchange, right? And they have 24 hours liquidity and zero opportunity for fraud, because Spectre has no control over the liquidity pool. It is decentralized, if that makes sense, right? Okay. It also says no deposits. Now again, as I explained, this is the decentralized, the DeFi wallet that if you want to deposit and withdraw from your decentralized wallet directly into for trading, directly from your wallet, you can do that. There are fees on that, very high gas fees due to the Ethereum blockchain. Another great thing about Spectre is you don't have any account managers calling you. If you guys have been trading on binary options, you understand what I mean. So account managers calling you to deposit more money, giving you bonuses and so on. It's just another very good thing about Spectre is that they have a lot of assets. So they have currencies, they have stocks, indices. In fact, they also have reverse futures, which we'll go over as well. And they have something called Epic. We'll go a little bit into that later. So this is the front page, very, very easy to navigate through, and it explains everything. Okay, now let's go actually into the login. So I'm gonna log in into my demo account and show you how to actually trade on Spectre. So when you open the trading platform, you see this page, very nice page, very well done. It looks exactly like one of the top-notch brokers out there. And you also have your asset pairs, your forex pairs, and your Epic 5000. So Epic 5000 is a creation of Spectre. Basically, it's like an index, and you can trade on that as well. Okay, and they also have forex pairs here, right there, right. You can do your analysis right here, so you can change your candlesticks into whatever time frame you like, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and so on. You can also do you can also change. You can add an indicator here. If you want Bollinger Bands, or you need something, whatever you need to do to analyze the chart, you can do that right there. So you can also change your chart type from area to line to candlesticks, however you like, which is very nice. So Spectre allows you to actually do TA right on their platform, which is very good. All right, so let's move on to the next. So the next thing is how regular trading is different from this style of trading. So we can call this self-trading as digital contracts trading. This is what Spectre calls it. In regular forex trading, I'll give you an example. So let's say I have AUD USD right now in front of me, right? So if AUD USD moves from this current moment to 5% lower, so I make money on that 5%, right? Now this is just a regular forex, or this is regular forex trading, stock trading, and so on. So you make money on depending on how much the market moves. Now this can be very time consuming, because if the market has to move 5% and you're making money on that percentage, it can take few days, it can take hours, it can take weeks. You never know. But if you're entering into a trade and you're hoping the market is going to go down 5% and you're making money off that, it can be time consuming, right? But with this style of trading, I can actually make a prediction. I can bet that if I'm sure of my technical analysis or my knowledge of trading, and I place, I predict the market is going to go down, and I put an investment amount of, let's say if I want to put $1,000, I can actually choose how long I want to keep this trade open for, right? So let's say I think AUD USD is going to go down. I know that my charts are suggesting that, right? In regular trading, I'm going to make money off that percentage of the move. In the beauty of this style of trading is that you can make up to 70-80% return even with just 1 point. Okay, so this is what, again, let me explain that in a bit of a depth. So I've entered a sell, sell in the sense here down, or a put on AUD USD. I chose my expiry time to, let's say, end of the day or end of the week, and I entered my investment amount. So if the market closes by end of the day below 0.75348, even by 1 point, I still make my 70-80% gains, right? So this style of trading is very, very popular, and it gained a lot of interest a few years ago. Still is, but Spectre is giving you the right tool and the right method to actually be successful. They also have something called adding protection. So you can actually choose how much you want to lose, right? Now, for example, I don't want to risk too much. So because if I lose this trade, okay, if I lose this trade in the sense that if my trade doesn't close below 0.75348, let's say if it closes above by end of the day, I'm going to lose all my money. In binary option brokers, you lose 100% of your total investment. again, the great thing about Spectre is that you can actually choose. So I can protect up to 20%, even up to 70% of my profits of my invested amount. So if I'm investing 1,000, I can protect 700. The payout will be low, of course. Now these payout that you see right now, guys, it's Saturday right now. It's 3 a.m. 3:40 a.m. here in Toronto, and the payouts are very low because the markets are closed, right? When you're trading on a regular market, you'll see, so Monday to Friday, anywhere, whenever there's market trading session going on, you will see 70 to 80% return on forex pairs. So yeah, capital protection is very important, right? So you can actually choose how much you want to lose, right? Your payout will be lower, but you will be also protecting your capital involved. Right, so this was Spectre.ai in a nutshell, a quick explanation of Spectre and how Spectre is better than the other brokers out there. All right, so before I end this video, I'd like to invite you to my free trading channel. So I post signals in that channel, and we have a couple of other admins that also post signals throughout the day. It's totally free. You guys can join in. All you have to do is just join on Spectre using my link in the description. You can start with a demo or a small account, just to get used to the platform first. But once you're in our group, you can actually start following the signals. We have a full tutorial on how to follow the signals. We guide you through our sessions and so on. So it's a very dynamic group, a very great community of traders. So feel free to join in, and I will see you guys next time. I hope you have a great weekend. Take care, guys. Bye now.